The Food Service Exchange presents
The Beverage Air Horizon series of reach-ins provides a unique combination of quality, customization, technology, and efficiency. Offering over 55 interior and exterior fit and finish combinations, there is a Horizon series solution regardless of end-user application. Field reversible, cam lift, hinged doors offer even more flexibility to end users in the event of menu evolution or space reconfiguration. The standard back channel guard promotes airflow throughout the entire cabinet for even temperature ranges and longer ingredient life, as well as mitigating any overpacking. A redesign of the Horizon series to R290 refrigerant makes these refrigerators and freezers some of the most energy-efficient top mounts on the market today. With E-Star ratings on 1, 2, and 3-door models, end users can take advantage of local rebates while also expecting day-one savings to their overall energy bill. E-Star rated models can save end users up to $980 over the lifetime of the unit. Backed by an industry-leading 7-year compressor warranty, the Beverage Air Horizon series of reach-ins provides unmatched versatility and quality.